Hello, today I'm going to be making a car racing game. Change the sprite because nobody uses the cat. And just zoom in like 100 times. Change it to bitmap and get this. Change this to 1 and change the colour. Yep. Oh, by the way, in case you didn't know, this is how you do pixel art on Scratch. Well, this is one of the ways. As you can see, I'm pretty clean with it. Boom. If I just zoom out, let's zoom in. Okay. It's 0, 0. Actually, it might not be 0, 0. I'm just going to do it for now, though. What I also need to do is make a actual track. One of the best ways to do this, in my opinion, is just get a colour. Maybe not that because that's too dark. Maybe this, and change the brush size to like 40 or 50. No, that's nothing. Maybe 100. Still not much. Yeah. Is this going to be impossible to adjust? Yeah, it is. Okay. I just this. That is not what I wanted to do at all. Oh, this thing is so awkward. Make it a little bit smaller. Yep, that looks good. I'll give it a background as well. The background would be green. Boom. So when the game starts, I'm going to want to go... Actually, no. This also needs to be pixel art. And one of the main ways you do that is convert to bitmap. You get like your scroll cursor thing. You select the entire thing and you just shrink it. And for some reason it makes it pixely. I don't know why. It's probably just something to do with bitmap being like squares. But it works. So when the game starts, you're going to want to make it so you start wherever you want to start. Actually, the camera's a bit too big. I might change the size to maybe 50 or 70. A bit too small. Maybe 75. Yep, that works. Also, you're going to want to put in forever. And first let's make a variable. Let's call it speed. When the game starts, set speed to maybe 2, and then you're going to want to do forever move there we go, move speed steps. So this is setting it to 2, so this equals 2, move 2 steps. So it's going to forever just do that, but I don't want it to do that. I want to make it so you can move. Let's collect, and another one. Maybe 5, no, not 50, that'd be ridiculous. This. Also, actually, no, I'm going to make another variable called turn. And at the start of the game, I'm going to set turn to maybe 5. But I'm going to make it so you can select it. Like you can select whatever thing you want, put it there. There we go. Maybe 5 is not enough, so I'll change it to 16, and then I do it a lot faster. And then maybe this is boring and I want to do 100, and I just don't move at all. 7 seems about right for this map. This is very awkward because the thing is too pixelated, so it'll be hard to not touch the green, basically. Because if you touch the green, it's like bad. You don't want to touch the green. This is a very simple video. I'm not sure how long it's going to be. I don't know how long it's gone for, but yeah. So when this is clicked forever, if touching color, let's get this select, if touching this color, then I want to just like do all of this. Not all of it, like most of it, because I'm just lazy and I can't be bothered to do the code again. Even though that would literally have taken me 4 seconds. So if I touch the green, it's just going to put me back. Usually I'd make it so I'd glide back, so like you know that you failed instead of just being there. But I tried that in another game, and if you like mess around here, you glide through the finish line and you get a point when you messed up. And I couldn't change it so it set you back 1 because I had like loads of effects and all. I might show that later. Depends how long this is going to be. So if you want to do this, I think you should set the speed to 1. Set speed to like maybe 0.5, and then you wait about 1 second and you set speed to 2. Was it 2? Yeah, it was. So then when you mess up, like, you know, and you get ready to try it again. I will make a live system. Also, the speed doesn't need to show up. It's not very useful. Live system may sound complicated. Actually, it may not. Actually, yeah, it doesn't sound complicated at all. Always do that. Lives. When the game starts, set lives to maybe 10, because this game is extremely awkward. And if touching this colour, change lives by -1. So if I just test this out and go into full screen mode. Actually, no, I'm not. I don't like when it's in full screen mode. Don't know why. It just puts me off. Wait, it did. There we go. So if I do this, yeah, you see my lives are going down. I make a handbrake system like I did on the other one, which hopefully you will see. Yet again, I need to make another variable, but it's all part of the process. Make a variable name. Oh yeah, slow. Sorry if you can hear like that noise. It's just my chair. It's like old, very old. I keep accidentally brushing into the size button thing, like the height thing. So at the start of the game, set. Oh, never mind, I don't even need to add slow speed. Doesn't need to exist. I just need to do, when this is clicked, forever, if key space pressed, then set speed to 1. And I'm going to delete slow because it's going to mess me up otherwise it's going to make me slow. So here we go. Very slowly get around these corners. It's a little bit OP. You can change it so it makes you a little bit slower instead of just wait. Oh yeah, okay. It's forever loop, I don't need this. In fact, I don't even need any of this. What am I doing? Never mind, sorry, I'm just being stupid. I just get this and this again. Set speed, can you stop? If I do that, then I need to make it so... Oh, this needs to be an if-else actually. If else, set speed to 1, else set speed to 2. So what this means is, if key space is pressed, to slow it down, and else just basically means if it's not pressed, basically. Set speed to 2. It should work now. Yay! It works. You could make this a lot more complicated. There's one more thing I'm gonna do into today's video is the lap counter. So if I just make a variable lap at the start of the game, I'm just chucking this in like a random position every time. I don't know. Set lap to thing. So when the game starts, forever, if touching that colour, then change lap by 1, and you're going to want to put in a wait thing. Otherwise it'll just like go up like 12 times because Scratch is like very fast when it comes to like refreshing. I don't know. It just is like that. So if I just cheat because I'm incredibly lazy and I can't be able to do the level, yeah, it goes up. Okay, go. I'm going to change this so it's like that because it's like very obvious that this is like the lap counter. No. So yeah, this is like the simplest of designs and it's come from me. And I'm like not the best coder at all. I just know like some of the cool features. But yeah, that is a car racing game. I'm just trying to get one lap to round off this video. Sorry, I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to show the other one. Probably didn't want to see it anyway, but yeah. Come on, oh, so close. Please don't mess up. Please don't. Please don't. Yes. There we go. So that is a car racing game. Hope you enjoyed.